task may I'll be giving you one situation, and you have to understand that situation and try to understand holistically, and you have to behave as executive. And okay, Arpit, you can't hear me? Arpit, I think everybody else is in position to hear me. So
Sir,
just see
my voice is audible, sir.
you're using earplug now?
Yes, sir.
No, it's okay. I can hear you, but only thing is there's a lot of echo coming. That's the only issue. Not a problem. Okay. So now in this task, no, I'll be giving one situation, and you have to behave as executive and try to solve that particular riddle. You have to give solution to that problem, and solution should be practical. Solution should look like feasible, and the problem solution coming from the designation which you have. You are not to give a solution which government is to give or which some another authority is to give. You have to give the solution which you can give, and it should be practical, it should be possible, it should not look like ideal or impractical, it should not be something beyond your jurisdiction. That is what you have to think of. And you have to actually think of that actual situation. If it is the actual situation, how, what you would have done, what you could have done. And through this GT, I will be trying to analyze your certain personality traits. Officers like quality. I mean, whether the kind of employee which I want in my company, are you that kind of employee or not? This is what I want. And you know what kind of employee you are. You are engineer, you are a technocrat, so you will be in executive position. Okay, so here I start. I give you a topic now. This task. You can write this task in your copy, and then we start further. So please write a task. Hi Arpit, can you hear me now? Arpit, can you hear me now? Arpit, am I audible? Can you hear me, Arpit? Okay, so let's write the task. A worker under you is not in position to work. A worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health. A worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health, his health issues, and company wants to fire him. And company wants to fire him. He has no other option. He has no other option. What will you do? What will you do?
May I ask you that he has no other option means company has no other option or a worker has no other option?
See, there is no scope of clarification, Manu, in this, Karan.
Okay.
There is no scope of clarification. You can't ask observer anything. I'm sorry. You need to interpret. So, worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health. Worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health, and company wants to fire or fire him, remove him. He has no other option. He has no other option. What will you do? What will you do? So I repeat third time. Worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health. Due to his ill health, and company wants to fire him. He has no other option. He has no other option. What will you do? So worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health. Company wants to fire him. He has no other option. What will you do? Arpit, can you hear me now? I think you are mute. Arpit, you are mute. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you can
Yes.
hear me, right? Have
Yes,
you
sir,
listened?
yes.
Have you listened the task?
No, sir.
Worker under you is not in position to work due to his ill health. There is a worker under you who is not in position to work due to his ill health, and company wants to fire him. He has no other option. What will you do? He has no other option. What will you do? That is the task given to you. Now I will ask each one of you 2 minutes to introduce, and then you can discuss, and then conclusion. So I start from Manu.
Good evening, everyone. So, the problem that's given to us for this group task is worker under me is not in position to work due to his health issues. So, the company wants to fire him, and what will I do in that case? So, this is a little complex situation because the company doesn't want him, and he clearly wants the job. So, what can he uh, expect from me as a supervisor or a manager of him? So, this is something that needs my special attention, as I won't be leaving someone if he's a good employee, or even if it's a bad employee. I won't be leaving him just because of his health issues, because that's a really bad thing anyone can do. But if the company is really trying to avoid him from the duties, I will be incurring what the company actually means by avoiding him from the duties just for his ill health. So I will be offering this task for others also, because others will be
Renu,
having
please
other
mute
views.
yourself.
Open to all the views.
धन्यवाद.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rahul.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Bist. I'm glad to be a part of this group task. The task given us is a worker under me is not in a position to work due to his health issue, and company want to fire him. He has no other option. What will we do? Firstly, the situation is very sensitive. First of all, what we have to do is we go to the person and talk to him. What is the problem? What is the health issue with them? Greet him, and after that, I want to hear that what he wants. He want to join the company. Now he want to join with the company, or he want to leave. What his perception? And then I talk to my superiors that what's their intention to fire him. It's really the health issue or somewhat other issue is there, and if there is no other issue, only the health issue, then I will ask them for a more time, request them, and tell his talent and contribution what he has given to the company, and ask for the more time, request for the more time. If that's not possible with the company, and then we or the only thing I can give is the farewell. I can give it to that person. So that's all from my side. Now I invite all of you to give your valuable suggestions so that we can reach consensus.
Shivam?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shivam Agrawal, and our given topic for the group task is that we are supposed to be an executive engineer in a company, and a person who is working under us, under me, is supposed to have health issues due to which he is not able to perform in his job, and the company wants to fire him. So I would say that we all have to think from the person point of view and also from the company point of view, being an executive level. So here I would say that first we have to see the health status of that person, what kind of disease he has. It may be long term or short term. If we feel like a person can recover in a short period of time, so we may suggest some ideas to our senior management level, like we can hire some person in place of him, like on contract basis, and then after that we can rejoin that person who is having health issues. So like that we have to have some ideas, so that that there should not be loss of a person and also the company. So here is from my side, but I welcome to all of you to give us your ideas, and we will get through this problem. Thank you.
Okay, Jitendra.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Jitendra Kumar, and we have been given this topic where the worker under me is not in a position to work due to his ill health, and the company wants to fire him, and he has no other option to keep this worker keep him in the company. Now, the among many solutions given by my friends, I would agree to some of them, and I would also like to add some of my views on this. Like, first of all, we should contact him as a person and ask him his health, about his health, and as a person, we should uh, take the concern of whether he will be in a position to join the company within a week, or in some other or he will take a long period to recover. So based on that, we can consult the superior, our superior, and ask him for if he could extend the period of for his to take him for the worker to take some rest. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Karan.
Hello friends, as my current Johan, and I would like to pose this problem that what we should do if a worker under you is not in position due to ill health. Okay, since if we are an executive and we have to think in both directions. If I think from a company point of view, if I fire a person, okay, randomly just because of his ill health, okay, then that might trigger a means demotivation in other people, other workers. So we have to think it that way. Another thing, if I think from a worker point of view, he is not means it is not in his hand to control this problem because he become ill. That is somewhat not in his control. Okay, if he was lazy, then that was another problem. So here situation is like that. Workers want to work because he has no other option, but it is he was not able to do that because of this ill health. So I will suggest from lower to higher level solution. First, I will suggest that when discuss with, and generally from my point of view, worker will get motivated if you make continue means several meeting with them daily, on daily basis. You greet them or you talk them that how was you, how you work, so they also feel that that the superior are giving respect to them. So he might be convinced that even though my ill health is there, means my health is not good, but my supervisor or the superior taking care of me. So he might think that he also try from his health that he should get well very soon. That is the first solution from basic. Then, if even he said that he even though he want to work, but at the same time this ill health is causing his means work problem. So we have to think about the other position in a company where he might work well.
Karan, you have to sum up.
Okay, okay. I have two more points that if he do not able to do that, then we have to make realization him that if he do not do well, then he might lose a job. That is the third point I would like to say. And okay, I would like.
Okay, now I think Manu, you can proceed. Manu, you have said yes. So
Yes, sir.
I think now Arpit and Renu, any one of you can start. Arpit, you are aware about the topic, right?
Yes, sir.
Renu, you are aware about the topic?
Sir, actually, no. No,
Okay,
sir,
the topic is there is a worker under you who is not having good health and company wants to fire him. He has no other option. Now you have to tell what you will do. In the meantime, Arpit, you can start. Arpit, I can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Arpit, and we have a topic. We have a group task on when you have a worker under you and which is who is ill for his some reasons, and company wants to fire him. But what do you do? The first thing we can do is that we can ensure that what incentive company can provide to him for his hospital bills or any regions. And second thing is that the role of worker. If anyone from the company can do his or her job, then his job can be given for temporary basis. His job can be given to other person for temporary basis, because recruiting any person and any another person cause temporary cause and recruitment burden or financial help for the recruitment. And third thing we have to do is that some financial help to the employee from another employee of the company, so which can ensure him which can ensure him the work which can ensure the worker uh, financially and some done, sir.
Okay, Renu.
Yes, sir. Hello. Good evening. My name is Renu Gupta. I am glad for this discussion. And we, first of all, we will think in in company point of view and also employee point of view. Second, we want to contact the company and we want to know about the health of the employee. And third, being an executive of the company, we want to not fire the employee if actually employee is health issue. Just because if we will fire the employee, then this step give on negative impact on the company. And the fourth point, in such situation we can appoint any other person in place of such employee, and after that such employee when recover, then if such employee will not up to such employee will not able to join the again such company. And after that when such employee join the company, then mm, fire the temporary employee.
Okay, done, Renu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Subhesh. Subhesh.
Hello friends, I am Subhesh Pandey and yes sir, I am audible.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I am audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible,
Okay.
Subhesh.
Hello friends, I am Subhesh Pandey and I am yes sir. Hello friends, I am Subhesh Pandey and I am glad to be the part of this team. And today's given task is a worker
Okay, Subhesh, we can't hear you.
Sir, can I again start?
Yeah.
Internet connection problems little.
Okay, started.
Hello friends, I am Subhesh Pandey. Yes sir. I am Subhesh Pandey. I am glad to be the part of this team, and today's task is a worker under me is not in position to work due to some health issue and company wants to fire. He has no other option. What will we do? I think as a team we can solve this problem, and it is a very realistic problem. First of all, I have to analyze what is the seriousness of this health. If it is temporary, we can distribute the work to others for temporary basis, and I can also ask him to work from his home, and I can also ask him if he can refer any friends to do their work. But if nothing is work, then at last we have to fire him. This is from my side. Now I want my other friends to give their solution.
Okay, Realme XT. Who is it? Realme XT. You are there? You want to participate? Can you hear me? This is one participant with the name Realme. You want to participate? Okay, I think then we start the next round. So first round is done. All of us have spoken. Now second round is going to be discussion among you on this particular issue. You have to listen to others. You have to give your own opinion. It will be open discussion. But remember that you are a part of team, so you have to reach out some solution at the end. So after 5 to 10 minutes approximately, we will talk, and then after that you can conclude the entire discussion and you can give the solution of this particular issue which I have given to you. So now I open the house for the discussion among you.
Okay,
Hello,
friends,
friends.
as I listened to all of you that all are agreeing with one point, but main thing which I want to tell that first we have to go to our superior rather than going to the person end, because we have to know what is the intention of the company to fire him. What do you think?
I think first we have to consult the medical
Definitely,
professionals at the
definitely,
company.
Rahul. But in the task we have to given that they want to fire him because he is ill. Definitely, he is not working properly. He cannot give it 100%. That's why the superior wants to fire him.
So I want to say that we have to
But-
find a midway. We want to find a midway so that worker might also do not need to get fired. At the same time, company do not compromise what he want to do. So we have to think from both point of view.
First
I
we have to
think-
But
find
if
out
we
his,
are the
whether his illness
executive,
is a permanent
but
one
if
or
we are the
a temporary
executive, then
one.
first step is to go to our superior and talk about that, what happening in the company and why this is happening.
But
I think Rahul, you are right. Here the
Rahul,
company superiors have taken the decision of firing. It will be based according to the employees law and all for which are given by the company for the employees. But
Definitely, Shiva.
we have to. But there are the also end of the person. So we have to take into account his also, because I am the executive, and I know him very well other than company, I think. So we should understand that problem
my opinion.
and also take to that superior.
I think
Yes, I agree
in my
with friends.
opinion,
I
my
want-
point of view, we want to think.
we have to first of
In
all
my
talk to the
opinion,
person.
we
First
want
of all,
to
we have
think.
to talk to the worker.
Hello, friends. We want to think in the point of the company. First of all, if employees are completely disabled, then we want to fire the employee with the given the some compensation given by the company.
definitely.
I will say
But
that
first we have
I
to
want
go
to
to
add a point is
superior.
that if we
That's
find
because
out that what type of
if
illness
we
he is
know,
suffering,
if we
we
will
have to
not
find
give
out
the
that.
compensation,
Yeah.
that's it.
Main
It
thing is that we have to check out what's the problem, which can be told by our superior. And Karan has made a very good point that we don't directly fire him because it's a bad image for our company workers that they have a bad environment, that they think
Correct.
that anybody can fire them anytime. So Karan
Yeah,
has a very
and
good
this will
point in that.
and this
I
will
think
also
that
create a
we
negative
want to
impact,
give the
First of all,
compensation.
we have to talk to the
and this
employer
will
We
also
because
want to give
in this
compensation
task it is clearly mentioned that he is not able to work.
like
So it is
retrenchment
for
compensation.
temporary basis or it is permanent.
It's a
But
certain
Shubhesh,
what type of ill health is it. First, we have to find out that what type of illness is. For example, if his illness is such that he can work, even though its efficiency decrease somewhat. So we have to, if it is case so, then we have to find out the position in a company where he can work with that less efficiency. Still, company do not get compromised with his work. Okay, so that
As
is
I
what.
Karan has
think we
already
have
said,
we have to
if it is a
think.
temporary,
friends,
if
as
it is
we
a
are the
temporary illness,
executive
we can
engineer, as
compensate
we
it
are
with
the executive
a long
engineer,
leave, I
then we
think.
don't have that
Rather
much
than
power. So we have
rather
to
than
go to our
completely laying
superior.
him
He
off.
Means
mentioned
that
that
we have to
he
go
is
to our
not in the
superior and
position
discuss
to work.
about the problem.
Rather than completely laying him
I
off,
think we
compensate
have
with
we
some
have to
about the
some
company
I think
also.
we have to think with different aspect. What is the company side and what is the worker side and what is the role of the worker. So we have to
Definitely,
think.
Arpit. First, we have to take the company side that why company is
First of
going
all,
to
we have
fire
to-
them. What is the intention? Is it really the health issue or
I
somewhat
don't
other
think
intention
that
is there?
I don't think that
I
we
think
can
being an
we can give
executive, we want to think
preference to
about
the.
the company also.
But I
Superior,
want to
because
say
we are
that
the employee.
Executive.
what I want to say is that as
That's
we
why
are
we have to
executive,
think about
we
the
have
image of
executive.
friends.
As we are executive, we should
Definitely.
suggest a
And
company
I
that if we are possible, we can make contact between different worker, this ill worker and other worker, and
Definitely, Karan.
Yes.
make them decide that if some other worker do a work for this worker for a time being that it get cured, then this worker will also not be fired and company
Yes,
work will also
definitely,
not
Karan.
compromise. That
This
is
Yes.
this is the condition when the company wants like company want to fire him because of the illness basis. So we tell the company that we can our group can do that task without that person for a short period of time.
Correct,
So we
Rahul.
can make a compensation
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
also
cause of firing.
want to
Actually,
say
Rahul,
that
being an
at this
executive,
point,
actually
I
being
think
an
Rahul, cause
executive,
of
we
firing
want
is important here
I think
to find.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
I think
yes,
It's
yes, we
important.
can
listen.
do
I think
that
it is
side
very
by
clear that company wants
we
to
can
fire
also
him. Listen,
we can
actually
find
actually being an executive, we want to think about the company and also employee also. first of all,
Yes, Renu.
if we want
Yeah,
to
it's
fire
right
the
to think
employee,
about the
then we
company,
want to give
but
the some benefits. And second,
But
we cannot
Subesh, I want to answer you
Yes,
that
yes,
if a company want to fire any person, then it's not a single reason that company want to fire him. It's a natural. You can think also that
I
not
think
because of the
Rahul,
only because of the
listen.
illness basis a company
Listen,
can
Rahul.
fire a person.
Yeah, Rahul.
That because
I
there
think
is only
Rahul,
there
I
is
want to
another
get
reason
it.
also. I
Listen,
think
what
it's
I
our
want to say that
management.
definitely, Rahul, you are right.
Rahul, I am
I want to
thinking,
say that
yes,
in this
Rahul,
task,
if we will
it is
not fire
mentioned
the
that he is
employee,
not in the position to work.
it will be little
We
inhuman
cannot
to
For a
make the
short
fire
time,
him.
assumption that
like
there
Karan
is
said, that we
another
can
reason.
discuss it's for a short time or for a long time basis, like Karan said.
And
We
what
can
I want to
discuss that.
also
What I think
want to
that
suggest that
we have to
if
talk with the
we
superior.
if we allow company to
We have to
realize
talk with the
that this
superior
worker has done
about the firing issue, and also about the company provide incentive to the worker. So we have to talk about the
But
Yes,
if-
superior
definitely.
about the
But
After
see-
that,
two
we
things.
can talk to that person
Correct.
that what's the problem
Yeah,
from
yeah,
his
yeah.
end.
but
Yeah.
if
Because
we
if the
say
company
if,
want to fire him not
Yes,
because of
yes.
the health issue, then we can't discuss this to the person that
yes,
we
yes,
can
Rahul,
assure you that
Yes.
we can
if
take you back to the
we
company.
will, yes, Rahul, if company will not fire the employee, then company will also face the losses, also face the lose the management also.
But
Maybe
my
company
point
wants
here
to
is,
do
But it will be slightly inhuman in the
Employee-
company's.
Listen, friends.
but I
But-
want to
but-
suggest
but
that
I
what
think-
want to
If we
suggest
are
that,
against this firing, if there is any another reason in the
See-
company and we are against the firing, then it's come to our back.
Rahul,
So company can fire us also.
definitely,
We
Rahul,
have
you
to
are
discuss
right.
that also.
Listen, my point of view.
see,
Listen,
companies.
just one-
See, here
Just
my
I am
point
saying
is
that
that the
we
company
cannot
company
make the
decision of
assumption
firing.
that company is firing because of some other reason. Because here
But
is
look-
clearly mentioned the worker is not in position to work. So definitely
Yes,
this
yes.
is
but
Yes,
we
yes.
have to find out.
But
But
if it's
it is
for a short
completely
time,
understand that you.
But it is also
So
noted in
this
the
is what I'm
problem
saying.
that
We
it
have
is
to
not
first of all
able
talk to the
not in
person that
position to work
his health
because
issue is temporary or permanent basis. If it is
Yes, yes.
permanent basis, then we have to go to superior. We
Okay.
cannot
I
make the
think
assumption that
company
he is-
company is taking the decision of firing the person in case when he is having health issues. So we have to assume that it is only due to
Definitely.
health issues
It is-
because
it is
because
very
if
clearly mentioned
company
in the
wants to
task, I think.
fire, then
But not it is-
then company can fire any time. It can fire before as well if
Definitely.
But Shivam, what
it
I
is
want to
not in
say
ill
is that,
condition.
look, look,
if it's a
Shivam, what
public
I want to
sector
say
If
is
the
that-
company
organization,
final
Look,
decision
what
to
I want
fire
to
the
say
if
is
it's a
that-
public
final
sector
decision to fire the
organization
person.
like
So here-
IOCL, okay,
Operator
friends,
thing-
imagine that it's a
Cannot
PSU.
discuss this.
How you
But-
can fire a person?
But if a company thinks
just
that
tell
he
me an
want to
example,
fire,
how you can
because
fire a
how
person?
company will think
No,
that he
Rahul,
want to
no.
fire, he will think that,
And you cannot
this
put the
person is not
situation
working
here.
that much as required, so
See,
he
if
thinks
the-
that
Main
he
thing
should
is,
fire.
Subesh,
If the person
And
in
we
the
find out
government,
that,
then you
he
cannot
has
fire
an
him.
illness. So
See here I think we have
reason is that
to
the
find out the
company-
solution, only taking in the account of the health issues
I
of the
think we are
person,
going to
what we can do with the health issues. And if we consider the PSUs here,
Final,
then
I
then
want to
there.
put to a final point.
because
If the
we are
company
go-
want to
Hello.
if the
Yes, yes.
if the
But
final
I
decision
want
of
to
company
say
to
that-
fire the
I
person,
want to
then we
I
have
want
to
to
do
add
is
main
the
thing is
How
that
many of you
first
agree
point
with
we
this?
have to discuss is that we have to go to our superior. That all are agreeing. And
Yes,
tell about
yes,
the
yes,
problem
yes.
what they are facing and
And
what
I
is the
provide-
intention.
I
We can go
provide
to a
a-
person end, but he wants.
But
not the
once
company.
someone should listen the person as well, either company or we. If
Yes,
I go to the
after that we can go to that person.
Rahul,
Because company is
But
more
listen,
important
what I
than
suggest-
that
first of all,
person.
we have
what I
nothing.
suggest, my friend,
The
is
worker-
that
we are not going to take the decision. Company will take the decision ultimately. So our point is just to take the input from the person, and that also should tell the company. I
But
think
what I want to say,
because
we already
company I
know-
think
look,
will
look,
not be
we
aware
already know- we
well
already
about
know-
the situation about
We
the
already
person.
know that companies want
What
to
is the
fire. Okay,
problem?
we already know. We
Why
want to
people
find
not
out
work?
that the worker should not be fired. So we suggest him that you should tell or contact another worker, take a money or something help so that you can get restored. And when you
Yes,
get
yes.
your well,
Yes, yes.
then you repay him.
That is
In
that is
this way,
definitely a solution.
then worker
Yes.
will be also
But
satisfied.
Karan, we
company
can
will be
do
also
like that also. We can go to our superior and tell about his talent and contribution which he has given to the company, so that they can convince for the little more time.
That is also a best option, so that
This
they
is
can
what
get a
we
time
can do.
sufficient.
Definitely.
Yes, yes,
This is
yes.
what we can
This
do.
will be
Either-
perfect.
But Shivam
Either
and
we have to
Subesh
manage
quoted a
the-
very good
manage the,
point. Shivam and
work.
Subesh quoted a very good point that we can hire another person on a contract basis for a short period of time.
But
That
that will
also
include
is
the
right.
extra cost
Yes,
of
yes.
hiring.
It demands
and
money
That's
to
that's
hire
a
also
suggestion
time.
only.
That is
Yes,
also a problem. That is one main problem, that it will incur more cost to the company for hiring a person, a
Yes,
replacement.
yes.
Yes,
So
Karan.
and
Yes,
also
But
it
if
agree,
takes
the work,
time.
Karan. I am agree
Karan,
with
if the work is so much important or crucial, then we have to hire another person, because without
so
him,
first
it's
we have
not
to
In
decide
my
the
opinion,
role of the
that's not
person.
our job. That will be done by the
Then I
HR
suggest, then I
department.
suggest we
Our job is to
change
train
the
the
engineer.
post.
employee.
The task is
Actually,
given
yes,
to
yes.
us. Manu,
our
the
Yes.
task is
So
given to us
our
as
job
we
is
are the
actually
executive engineer. We have to
to
make the
save.
task
Our job
complete.
is actually to
So it's
see,
our
save
if
this
see
responsibility.
our
depends upon the size of
professionally.
company as well, that how readily he can hire a person, or how we can distribute the work in absence of that person. So if
Yes,
the
Actually, the
company is
company will be knowing to hire
not
another
ready to
person
hire,
instead
yeah,
of this one.
yeah,
So we
then we
definitely,
have to
Manu. We are
distribute
not
the
the
work
management.
among
We
the
can't
other team
hire
members
them, but
only.
we can give suggestions to the
Yeah,
management so that
yes,
they
yes,
can hire. We can't
In
hire
my
them. We
point
have
of
don't
view,
get that
yes,
company
option.
yes,
has
right.
capable people
in
to
my
hire
point of
another
view,
people.
And I
in
also
my
suggest
in
that
my point of
we
view,
should make a realization to the worker that he might be, lose his job due to this. So we try to convince both management as well as worker that we should tell worker that you should get
Definitely,
healthy
definitely,
as
man.
soon as
according to
possible.
me, if 3 points is covered for this conclusion. First of all, if company not fire the employee, then company lose the profit. Second, if company will fire the employee, then this issue will create the negative impact on the company. So we want to think about the company side and
Definitely,
employee
And we want to
definitely,
side.
find
Renu.
the
It's
And
it
we
make
third,
should
a
be
if
middle
bad
we
way.
want
image
to
in the
fire the
bad image
employee,
in the
then
We want the
workers,
middle way.
bad
we
image
want to
and
give the
bad environment
compensation.
in the company, that
Yes,
company
yes,
can fire anybody if there is any illness in anybody. So
yes,
it's
yes,
bad image for the company
Definitely,
also.
Rahul,
yes.
definitely,
And it will also create a mental
It
fear
will
in
create
the
the
minds of
negative
the
impact
worker
on the
that
company.
definitely,
Yes, Jitender.
definitely. These are the
Jitender is
consequences
telling
of
the
the
same thing,
firing
is
the
that they
We
employee.
have a
want to
fear.
That's right.
we want to
First of all, we have to
give
talk to the.
appoint any
First of
we
all, we
want to
have to talk
appoint
to the.
any.
Guys,
That's
I think
how about I provide to say, how about if we
And
make
I think
arrangement
I have
so
one
that
more
that
point.
worker can work
If
in
we
a next
if we want
means
to if we
in a
have to
place in a
fire to
company where
someone
he
in
can
the
work.
employee,
but Karan, main thing is that
let the
if
final decision
anyhow
of the company to
we made
fire
that
the worker.
Arpit, if we done everything and doesn't work, then at last we have to give a good farewell to that person
So
so
then
that every
we
employee
have to
can
give
think
some
that
financial
it's a
Rahul,
help.
I
good
think
image. Yeah, we
But
can give a
Yes,
good
yes,
farewell
yes,
that
sir.
if nothing
There are
happens.
always some funds now that company will give to its employee when he is
Yes,
leaving.
but
definitely.
we have
Rahul,
to
We
give
That
can
will
some
be
give a
help.
good
definitely
farewell,
given
I
to
make
him.
him
think
happy,
I have a
and give a
one
good
point.
environment
If
in
we
the
have
We
to
company.
want
fire
to
an
work
employee, we
for
can
that.
take the recommendation from him to hire someone.
We don't have
It
to
can
fire.
Okay, I
leverage.
think
We are
now we
not the
can
one we are
conclude.
firing.
That won't work. Right?
We can conclude now.
Because
So
we
I ask Karan to initiate the conclusion.
So yeah, the discussion was very crucial and was also understanding and sensitive one. And I realized that it was a very good point we made. We also think from a company point of view as well as the worker point of view. We suggested that either we should try to convince a company at the same time we should try to get a way so that worker can easily worker can also return to work so that he do not get fired. That is a two point of view we think about it. We also listed points that what will happen if we fire, then what will happen, and if we do not fire the worker, then what will happen. So we discussed that point also. And at last, we also think that if we fire them, then what we should do so that he might get a benefit. Even if after getting fired, what we should do so it will be good for him. That's all for me.
Okay, Jitender.
Yeah, we had a very friends. We had a very good discussion on the topic, and we came to the consensus that our first priority should be to consult the top management and ask him to give some kind of concession if in terms of number of days, so that the worker can get some relief from his illness. And the second thing is that in my personal suggestion on this topic would be that we can ask the worker that if he is not able to recover soon, then he should provide some alternative solution from his side, or some worker from who of his near of his to him, I mean to say that. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, now Shivam.
Everybody has given the fruitful points, and the discussion was very smooth. And I would like to say that being an executive, we will try to get the best solution. Like we will not do the loss of a company and the worker as well in the best case. Here situation depends. I think only upon the health situation, what type of it is. If it is a short term, then we will definitely try to distribute the work among the remaining workers so that work should not harm, and when he will get soon, he can rejoin. In that case, he will be take care by the company as well. And if it is long term, then definitely we have to take the funds to that person, and fire is the, I think, the only option. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Rahul.
Okay, friends, on behalf of my team, I want to conclude that first of all, we have to talk to our superiors that what's their intention. If the intention is related to the health, then we go to that person and talk to him. What's the problem? What type of disease he has? It's a short term or a long term, and give him a motivation that we can do anything, we can do something, and go to our superior and ask for the more time for him. And also there are we can tell him his talent and his contribution which he has given to the company. And also there we can say to our superior that our team can do that work without that person for a short time. So if that's the condition, if other intention is there with the company, and then we can't do anything, but we can give a good farewell to him so that a good environment in the company is set up. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, Rahul. Now Manu.
We got many good ideas to resolve this problem. First of all, as his superior, we have to ask him about his medical condition, whether it's a temporary one or it's a permanent one. So that if it's a temporary one, we can ask the human resource department and the superior to allow him long leave. And if it is a permanent one, we can request the human resource department and the superiors to give him more or the adequate amount of compensation in leaving the company. And ultimately the company is going to make the decision, and we as his superior, I will be pointing out the good things he has done to the company. Thank you.
Okay, now I think we can go with the Arpit.
Yes, sir. In the behalf of my group, the points the group the points which members of group put in the discussion, that we have to first go to the seniors and talk about the firing issue. And if the final decision of company to fire the worker, then we have to talk about what company can provide for his health or for his health issue. And if then we go to the worker and talk about his health issue. Is it permanent or temporary? So we can manage for some time if temporary. And second thing is that if the final and also notice the role of the person. If he has a key role, like something very important, or and no one can do no one can do no one cannot do cannot do without him, then we have to hire another person. If team members can do, then we have to manage somehow. And at last, if the final decision of the company is to fire the worker, then we have to give him some financial help and some emotional help, so he can recover from his ill health. And that's from all to my side.
Okay, now Renu.
Yes, sir. In my point of view, actually, we think in company point of view and employee point of view also. First of all, we want to try that company will not fire the employee if employee is able for work in after some days. Then second point of view, being an executive, we think in favor of the company also. Then actually, if employee is completely disabled, then being an executive, we want to fire the employee and with give the compensation. Actually, we want to give the compensation to the employee also, so that if we fire the employee without giving any compensation, without giving any facility, then this create the negative impact about the company also. So in my opinion, being an executive, we will think in favor of the employee and being in favor of the company also.
Okay, Subhesh.
I think.
Okay, friends, after discussing the given task with the team, we reached some very good solutions. We think on the basis of as an executive employee of the company, and also as a worker. I think first of all we have to talk to the employee and and find out the seriousness of his health, and we have to go to the superiors and find out that their intentions to fire the employee. After that, if his health is on temporary basis, we can ask him that if he's any friend who can do his work for temporary basis. But if it's not possible, then we can hire someone on contract basis. And we can also go to the superior and show his positive side to the company, and ask him to give him to not fire, because it also give the negative impact on the company's image. And we can give them some compensation time and compensation amount. But at last, if we cannot do anything, so we have to fire him. This is from my side. Thank you.
So I think everybody has concluded. Okay. Now, all of you have given points, that is good. But in this kind of task, the most important thing which is actually analyzed is, like, when you are giving solution, are they practical? Number one. Are you people following the code of conduct you people are having with your company? Are you thinking of a company also? Are you playing the role of responsibility of being employee in the company, as well as being the executive or boss of someone? So you have multiple responsibilities. So are you fulfilling all those responsibilities? And are you in position to take decision? So that everything is checked through this. Sometimes you are very insensitive, sometimes you are very emotional, sometimes you are impractical, sometimes you are exceeding your jurisdiction. So this is something which is analyzed through this kind of task. All of you have given good points, I'm not denying that. Some are useless points and some are useful points. One most important point you guys missed was, did you even try to see what kind of employee is he? Is he worth retaining? What is his so-called annual confidential report? What is his performance so far? How long was he working in the company? Maybe he joined 6 months back only. Did you think about that? How old he's serving in the company, and is he asset for the company, or already he's a liability on the company? Don't you think you should have asked that also? You should have thought about that also. Is he worth retaining or not? When did he join? What work he's doing? What is his specialty? Okay, he's not capable to do the work which he's doing. Is he capable to do some another work in the company? Can that be done? You need to make that entire analysis before you go to top executive or management. I agree that company wants to fire him. Company has not decided to fire him. Company has fired him. Is a different thing. Company has fired him, then your answer will be different. You cannot go against company. But company wants to fire him. That means it is still under decision. You can save him from getting fired. But then you need to do your homework properly. And what comes in the homework? Do you know everything about the employee? Do you know he's useless fellow? Do you know he just joined 3 months back? Do you even know that he drinks a lot and he has spoiled his livers because of drinking? I mean, have you done your homework properly? You come to me, I'm your boss. You come to me, sir, Ram Prasad should not be fired. Company ki image kharab ho jayegi, sir. Ram Prasad ko we want to retain. Do you even know Ram Prasad, Rahul? You even know Ram Prasad Shivam? Do you know he's drinking every day? And उसने अपनी health खराब कर लिया, वो कंपनी के भी 4 लोगों को पिलाता है बैठ के. Do you know those things? So have you done your homework executive properly or not? That is my question. You have not done. You are so emotional, save him, like typical Indian, okay, so don't give him compensation, give him, maybe he has already lost a lot of things in the company. So do your homework properly. That is something which you have to do, right? And you cannot tell company to give compensation. Again, you are exceeding your jurisdiction. Yesterday also, Renu, you were giving compensation. Today also, you are saying you started giving. Renu, you are giving compensation to everybody.
सर एक्चुअली ऐसा होता है ना कि जैसे अपन रिट्रिचमेंट करते हैं तो अपन एम्प्लॉयज को कंपनसेशन वगैरह देते हैं, फिर उनको हटाते हैं। तो सर मैंने उसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोला था कि अगर अपन उनको हटाना चाहते हैं तो अपन उसको,
तो मेरा पॉइंट है
क्योंकि
कि वो
उसकी गलती
तुम
नहीं है,
डिसाइड,
क्योंकि हेल्थ इशू तो हो सकता है मतलब किसी को भी।
पर कंपनी हर किसी सिचुएशन में कंपनसेशन, अगर क्या पता तुम्हें, क्या पता कंपनी ने उसको कंपनसेशन दे दिया है, हाउ डू यू नो दैट?
यस
तो
सर,
जब भी कंपनी उसको निकालेगी तो कंपनी पॉलिसीज को फॉलो करेगी ना।
यस सर, यस,
पॉलिसीज में अगर कंपनसेशन है तो कंपनी को देना ही पड़ेगा।
कंपनी देना पड़ेगा।
यू आर नोबडी टू एडवाइज एचआर और एडवाइज द एग्जीक्यूटिव के इसको कंपनसेशन दो। बोलेगा मैडम दे चुके हैं, बोलेगा मैडम हमने कंपनसेशन दे दिया है। तो फिर आपने एज मैडम क्या रोल प्ले किया उसमें, एज एग्जीक्यूटिव क्या रोल प्ले किया? क्या आपका रोल ये था कि आप उसका पूरा होमवर्क करते। यू शुड हैव सीन व्हाट वर्क ही इज डूइंग, you should have seen what work he can do, what work he can do. If he is not doing what work he can do, and where else he can be substituted, if not here, where else he can be substituted. So as executive, you should see his profile, you should see his background, how old that employee is, and then if financial help is required to him, you should many of you said you should talk to employee first. Good, I agree. Rahul said you should talk to employee first. Go and talk to him. What is the issue here? What is your health issue? You want to take off and get well. So, okay, you should take off. And if the company is firing him, certainly, maybe when he's okay, company may again hire him if he's a good employee. And in the meantime, first he should focus on health. If he's not health-wise okay, and he's not in position to do work at all, he should not. He should relax. He should get well soon. Priority should be to make him good. Now the second step is, after you have inquired about what kind of, now you have two responsibilities, one towards the company, one towards the employee. Towards the company, you should see what kind of employee is he. If he goes, what losses to the company. Again, in company, is there any other activity where he can be plugged? As far as employee is concerned, also for the company, you should do your job properly. You should see what kind of employee is he, what he's specialist into. If he goes, what are the losses? Can he be replaced? What other activities he can do? Entire homework you have to do. For employee, ask him, what is your health issue? How much time it will take? How much money it will take? You really want to work or you want to leave? And you want to take off for some days and come back to this company, or you want help somewhere else? Okay, employee long term ke liye, he wants to take off. He cannot work in this company. As executive, you may have contacts outside. Now, how to help this worker? How to help this worker? If he is an important worker in the company, he may be having many of his co-workers, including many executives. So what financial help can be provided to him by voluntary contribution? Voluntary contribution. Other than compensation, what companies to give is to give HR policies. But as you are concerned, what voluntary help can be provided to that employee if he is poor? And then provide it. Think of his family, interact with his family. Okay, you should help him. Then you are executive and you have contacts outside also. In so many other companies, you have contacts. You will try to find some kind of job for him if you want to help him. Can't you do that? You can do that also. So it is not that if he does not work in this company, he will die. He can do some another activity also. No, you need to sit and talk to him. Yes, he should not be liability to company. As executive, it is my responsibility to see he should not be liability to the company. Company can only pay him proportional to what he is working. He should not be liability to the company. So that also you will ensure that he is not a liability to the company.
सर
So-
एक क्वेश्चन था मेरा कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कंपनी की पॉलिसी में ये लिखा होता है कि कंपनी कैन बी फायर द एम्प्लॉय एट एनी टाइम, एंड कंपनी को मतलब जैसे 7 या 6 डेज का नोटिस देगी और वो फायर कर सकती है। अब बट लेकिन अगर बीइंग एन एम्प्लॉई अगर चाहे खुद निकलना, रिजाइन देना, तो उसको कम से कम 1 महीने का नोटिस देना पड़ेगा। तो सर ये पॉइंट भी हम इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं क्या, ये वाला पॉइंट भी, कि
कैसे
कंपनी
करोगे?
की अगर कंपनी की पॉलिसी में अगर ऐसा है कि वो कभी भी फायर कर सकती है एम्प्लॉय को, तो देन विदाउट एनी कंपनसेशन कंपनी कैन बी फायर द एम्प्लॉय।
देखो जो लेबर लॉज है ना रेनू, यू नीड टू गो थ्रू लेबर लॉज।
यस सर।
ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में अगर एम्प्लॉय कुछ टाइम काम कर रहा है तो आप उसके वो सारे फंड्स मैनेज करते हो, उसको पैसा देते हो, उसके फंड्स में उसकी सैलरी में से कुछ पैसा रोकते हो, उसको फंड में रखते हो, अपना इंटरेस्ट देते हो, पैसा लगाते हो, और उसका वो सारा फंड एक होता है उनके पास, और वो पैसा कंपनी उसको देती है। कंपनी ने उसकी हेल्थ पॉलिसी भी करवाया होता है।
यस
तो
सर।
सारी चीजें होती हैं, एचआर पॉलिसी होती है जिस कंपनी की, वो ये सब करती हैं कंपनीज।
बट सर अगर इन केस अगर वो एम्प्लॉय मतलब जिसकी सैलरी मतलब थोड़ी अच्छी होती है, तो उनको जैसे उसके लिए मतलब जैसे प्रोविडेंट फंड वगैरह तो रखना पड़ता है, लेकिन वो हेल्थ वाला नहीं रखना पड़ता, ईवीए शायद जिसको बोलते हैं, ईवीआई पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं, तो शायद वो नहीं रखना पड़ता सर जिसकी सैलरी अच्छी होती है। तो उस केस में नहीं हो सकता है क्या सर, अगर लेबर नहीं है, लाइक जैसे जिसकी 20,000 से अबव सैलरी है।
तो क्वेश्चन क्या है आपका?
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जिसकी सैलरी मतलब जो हायर लेवल का एम्प्लॉय है, तो उस केस में तो हम विदाउट कंपनसेशन उसको फायर कर सकते हैं, मतलब
कंपनी फायर कर सकती है, बिल्कुल कर
कभी भी
सकती है
कोई
कंपनी
भी
फायर।
टाइम, क्योंकि
हाँ,
ऐसी पॉलिसी होती है शायद कंपनी की।
अदरवाइज कंपनी डूब जाएगी ना। अब जैसे कोविड आया तो
यस सर।
कंपनी
यस
अगर एम्प्लॉइज को निकाले ही नहीं तो कंपनी डूब जाएगी, क्या करोगे उसमें बताओ?
यस सर। हाँ
तो
वही
ले ऑफ तो
सर,
होता ही है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में ले ऑफ होता है बिल्कुल।
यस सर। हाँ वही कहना चाह रही थी सर, क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग द कोविड-19 मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों को निकाला है इन्होंने, छोटे
तो
एम्प्लॉयज,
गलत,
बड़े एम्प्लॉयज को
तो रेनू
सबको
वो गलत
निकाला है।
नहीं है। देखो
हाँ।
कई बार इंडिया और चाइना का जब कंपैरिजन आता है ना, इंडिया क्यों मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हब नहीं है, चाइना क्यों है, तो लेबर पॉलिसीज ही तो आता है सबसे पहले।
यस सर।
कि लेबर पॉलिसीज चाइना में ऐसी हैं, वो इन फेवर ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं, कंपनी है,
यस।
वर्कर
यस
के नहीं है। तो वर्कर इज
यस
टू वर्क। लेकिन अगर
यस
वर्कर की फेवर में बहुत ज्यादा चली जाएंगी तो एम्प्लॉयर या मैन्युफैक्चरर डूब जाएगा, ये
यस
होता
सर।
है। तो वो तो जो इंडिया में है वो तो हमें फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा। वी आर टू एज एग्जीक्यूटिव व्हाट वी आर टू थिंक ऑफ, वी आर टू थिंक ऑफ कंपनी ऑल्सो एंड वी आर टू थिंक ऑफ वर्कर ऑल्सो। ये भी प्रॉप पॉइंट आ सकता है, क्वेश्चन ये भी आ सकता है तुम्हें कि कोविड के टाइम पे कंपनी फायर कर रही है और जो मोस्ट एफिशिएंट, आप मोस्ट एफिशिएंट आदमी है उसी को फायर करती है कंपनी। तो पता है इस बात का, जब फायरिंग स्टार्ट होती है तो सबसे पहले किसको फायर किया जाता है? जो सबसे एफिशिएंट आदमी होता है। बताओ क्यों?
पता नहीं।
क्योंकि वो सबसे ज्यादा पैसे ले रहा होता है कंपनी से,
यस सर।
और कंपनी के पास काम नहीं है। मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं, मेरे पास 4 टीचर हैं सपोज, एक टीचर को मैं सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी दे रहा हूं और एक को सबसे कम दे रहा हूं। अब कोविड आ गया, कोविड के टाइम पे मेरे पास बच्चे बहुत कम हो गए पढ़ाने के लिए, आई डोंट हैव नाउ स्टूडेंट्स। जिसको मैं सबसे ज्यादा पैसे दे रहा हूं मैं उसी को सबसे ज्यादा फायर करूंगा,
यस सर।
ये बोल के कि यार तेरे को तो पैसा नहीं दे सकता भाई, इसको दे सकता हूँ, इतने जितने पैसे तो मेरे पास है। और जो सबसे एफिशिएंट है वही सबसे ज्यादा पैसे ले रहा होता है, राइट?
यस।
तो ये एक बड़ी मतलब एक ऐसी सिचुएशन हो जाती है कि जो एफिशिएंट आदमी होता है बोलता है कि मैंने पूरी लाइफ लगा दी इस कंपनी के लिए, आई एम सो एफिशिएंट इन माय वर्क एंड आई एम फायर्ड। एंड देन द टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव एक्सप्लेन्स हिम कि इट इज नॉट दैट यू आर एफिशिएंट और वी डू नॉट वांट टू रिटेन यू, बट वी कैन नॉट रिटेन यू। हम तुम्हें रिटेन ही नहीं कर सकते, अगर रिटेन करेंगे तुम्हें रखेंगे तो हम डूब जाएंगे, इसलिए तुम्हें फायर करना इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए।
बट सर किसी का रास्ता पे निकला सकते हैं ना, वो बोल सकते हैं कि अभी के लिए जो कंडीशन है उसके लिए आपकी सैलरी कम कर दी जाती है, फिर आप वर्क कीजिए। तो वो भी वर्कर भी सोचेगा कि मुझे तो अपनी जॉब बचानी है, तो इफिशिएंट तो उतना है ही ऑलरेडी, लेकिन कम पे में भी काम करेगा कुछ टाइम के लिए, वो भी एक
लेकिन
solution
अगर
हो
काम होगा ही नहीं तो क्या करोगे?
सकता है। तो सर ऐसे तो हम कम सैलरी वाले को भी रख रहे हैं ना, इसको निकाल के जो कम सैलरी वाला है उसको हम रख रहे हैं, तो काम तो उसके पास भी नहीं है, तो उसको
अब
रख के क्या
आप,
करेंगे?
मैं आपको एक और पॉइंट बताता हूँ, 25,000 रुपये आप ले रहे हो, मैं आपको 25,000 दे रहा हूं, एक और 75,000 ले रहा है, मैं उसकी सैलरी 50,000 कर देता हूं, कौन कौन खुश होकर काम करेगा? सोच के बताना। 25,000 वाले को मैंने 25 ही दिया, उसको कम नहीं किया, उसको रख लिया। ही इज थैंकफुल टू यू कि मेरी सैलरी भी कम नहीं की और मेरे को रख भी लिया।
यस।
और जो 75,000 वाला है उसको तुमने 25,000 कम करके 50,000 पे रख लिया, ही विल नॉट बी हैप्पी विद यू।
यस।
एक्चुअल की सिचुएशन बता रहा हूं मैं तुम्हें करण, तुमने अपनी तरफ से अच्छा किया उसको कि मैं तुम्हें निकाल नहीं रहा हूं, लेकिन ही विल नॉट बी हैप्पी। वही हमेशा सोचेगा मैं तो 75,000 वाला आदमी हूं, मेरे 25,000 कम कर लिए सर ने। ही विल बी वेरी वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद यू एंड विल नॉट वर्क। रियल वर्ल्ड में ऐसा चलता है। तो यू वांट एम्प्लॉय टू बी हैप्पी एंड वर्क। द मोमेंट यू रिड्यूस सैलरी ऑफ समवन, ही विल नॉट बी हैप्पी, ही विल नॉट वर्क फॉर यू। एक तो 50,000 दे भी रहे हो, ऊपर से लाइबिलिटी भी है वो, अब वो लाइबिलिटी हो चुका है। तुम किसी की सैलरी कम करके उससे काम नहीं ले सकते। दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो इसीलिए तो ये जो लोग करते हैं, कंपनीज चला रहे हैं, इसी बेस पे तो चलती हैं। दैट इज एक्सपीरियंस दे हैव, दैट इज द एक्सपीरियंस दे हैव, दैट इज हाउ इट पीपल रन दिस। यू नो हु इज द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉयर, हु इज द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉयर? गवर्नमेंट। काम ना करो फिर भी तुम, लेकिन तुम्हें पता सबसे कम काम लोग काम करते हैं। दिस इज अ ट्रेजेडी, यू नो। यू आस्क एनी राइट नो, कोविड में हर किसी ने सैलरी कम की, हर किसी ने ले ऑफ किया एक्सेप्ट गवर्नमेंट। एंड गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय ही उस पैशन से काम नहीं कर रहा जिससे प्राइवेट करता है। दिस इज द ट्रेजेडी ऑफ अवर कंट्री एक्चुअली। जो बेस्ट एम्प्लॉयर है आप उसके लिए काम नहीं कर रहे हो यार, वर्स्ट एम्प्लॉयर के लिए तुम काम करते हो। So this is the reason. There are so many factors actually. That is what you need to understand it. You need to understand whole picture, whole game. Now let me tell you, Manu, you said you will inquire the company why it does not want. Manu, you are wrong in the sense you cannot inquire the company. You cannot inquire their decision as executive. How you will inquire? Tell me. You will go to the chief executive and say why you fired Ram Prasad?
No, sir. HR department. HR department, sir. Not
HR department will not entertain you. Do you think they will entertain you? They'll say, who are you? Let us do our work. So the HR department manager comes to you, how you are working in your technical field. You will answer him. So in departments, you cannot cross your limits, crossing the jurisdiction. Inquire company why it does not want you. You could have said that I will make my homework properly. That information you can get from the worker also. Don't go top, just worker. Ask him why they fired you. What happened? Make your homework completely before you go to your boss. And you should go to your boss, not HR department. Don't cross departments. From one department to another, don't go. They will not entertain you. Finance department, marketing department, HR department, you are a technical department. You should not cross the departments. Then you said, okay, temporary hai, permanent hai. Is it temporary decision, permanent decision? What you want? If temporary, then certain things can be done, and permanent, then you will compensation should be given. Those things you are talking about, right? So that is okay. I mean conclusion, but you could have added more points of conclusion of others. Rahul started very well. Sensitive situation, he said, and talk to him. That is what he said. And Rahul, you could have said that after talking to him, talking to his co-workers, his department head, I will make complete survey. I will make complete report. I'll make the report and then I'll go further. What he wants, you want to know what is his perception. That is good. Talk to superior. Then you will talk to superior. What is the issue? So you are following the line of command. Rahul, you are following the line of command. This is how I'm to follow. I'm to talk to superior, but I'm to get information first. That is professional approach. It should be like that only. So you will ask for more time. So all suggestions you can give. You will write all suggestions from your side after this entire analysis and submit your report to the top. You can talk to some people at the top. Go to superior. That is the part you said. Shivam, you think that you have to think both from the company's perspective and the employee's perspective. Correct? And no loss should be there to either of them. That is also there. Neither to company nor to worker.
Yes,
but you need to talk very professionally. Company may get many employee and the employee may get many companies also.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually at my level, what I can think like both should be balanced level. I think a priority should be, I think, according to me, to the company, because I am working in the company, but at the same time I'm boss of a worker. That then I think also should about him as well, so that he should not suffer due to his health basis only from his work.
See, as of now, you should think of not his job only, but his health. You should think of his health, because if he's healthy, he may get jobs. Maybe
Yes, sir.
he can come back to the company also. So
Yes,
other than
sir.
his job, the most important thing you are to concerned about is his health. You have
Yes,
to think
sir.
of his health.
Yes,
These
sir.
things.
As I told, like what type of disease he has, like he should be recovered in short span or not. If it in short span, then we can definitely get back to him, and if not, then I think it would be better to arrange another employee for the and fire him.
But that is not the task. Task is how you will help him. What will you do? That is a question. What will you do?
Yes, sir.
So it is focused on that particular worker. Company will get other workers. That is not your job. That is HR department there for that.
Yes.
He was asking about that worker. How you are related to that worker? Because he was working under you.
Yes.
New worker, though, you are not to recruit. That company will recruit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know only that worker very well, more than company.
So you have to think of him. Maybe you can go out of the way and you can say, I have contacts outside also, and I can ask my friends also to settle him. But you are concerned about his health first. His health,
Yes,
his
sir.
family, something like that.
Right, sir.
Jitendra, you ask his health and time taken to recover and all. That was the right approach. You could have took right approach. But then you said top
Mumbled
man.
a lot today.
Yeah. Tell me, Jitendra. Can you hear me, Jitendra?
Today I was. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Hello.
Speak.
Yes, sir. Today I was a bit nervous.
Nervous because you took
I was
lot of
feeling
gap.
little.
Because you took lot of
Yes,
gap.
sir.
Why you took lot of gap?
I did practice.
So why you did not practice? Long time back I've seen you. These
Yes,
things,
sir.
you
Sir, I
know,
was.
you should speak a lot. If I don't teach for 1 month, I forget teaching actually. So that is how, if you stop speaking, you will speech you become speechless after some time. So you should not have taken that long gap, Jitendra. When is your interview now?
Sir, on 11.
11. So you should not have taken that long gap. That is what I was going to tell you, that earlier you were participating nicely and you were improving. See, it is like this. It comes only with practice. And the typical example is Rahul. I tell you honestly. I remember the first interaction of Rahul. I thought this guy cannot speak. No, he speaks so well, actually. So you need to practice. This thing comes only with practice. Practice, you talk with others, remove hesitation. What we are doing 1.5 hours every day here, we are practicing to speak. That helps, Jitendra. So do it regularly, because I was knowing last time when you left, that time you were in position to speak. You used to
Yes,
speak
sir.
that time. Not today, you were not speaking. You were not entering also. I was observing that. So introduction, conclusion you gave, but you were not entering because of the gap you gave. Don't give gap. If you want to master this skill of discussion and talk, don't give gap. Make practice, and you should try to come back and discuss here. Otherwise also, you get selected in IOCL, ONGC, or wherever. Start doing it. You do it because this helps you later on also. When you will be superior, promotion, these things help in that also. You talk, and that is how you are promoted. These things help. So Jitendra, don't give gap to this. You understand? So you could not speak much. You should have spoken. Though approach was correct, but you were not talking much. Maybe that was back of your mind. You have taken gap, and I'm feeling nervous. But you will come back, participate.
Thoughts were not coming, sir.
Thoughts will come. Don't worry. You participate, and you see there is the inertia of motion, inertia of rest, inertia of direction. There are 3 kind of inertia in life. You are in inertia of rest nowadays. So some people come in inertia of motion. So they keep on speaking and they keep on participating. Inertia of direction. You are moving in one direction, don't change your direction. That is called inertia of direction. So maintain your rhythm. That is what I'll say. Speak. That is a group created, PSU group. That is the reason we have created it to participate every day. You discuss every day. So that is what is important actually. Right, Jitendra? So participate now. Karan, don't use word okay. I told you. You are using okay word very frequently. You said workers' point of view and company's perspective both are to be seen. And you started speaking a lot in introduction itself. You are not to speak all the points in introduction, Karan.
Okay.
So just introduction should be perspective. Okay, friends, I think we should discuss this whole issue from two perspectives, from the worker's perspective and from the company's perspective. So what is the main issue for the worker is his health and how he will earn, these two things. I should focus on that. Company, why company should remove him, fire him, and if company fires him, who will be the substitute? These two things from company. As executive, I will talk about company, I will talk about worker. Very clear. ऐसे आपने straight answer करना है. Can he still work in the company some position? I think Karan, that was the best point you suggested. Can you retain him? If not in this capacity, then in some another capacity, you know, that is the thing. That another, that also is a reason that the people who are at very higher level, when they are fired, they are not basically having any other option in the company because they are at very high level, you know. Arpit, facilities company can provide to him, hospitals, etc. No, that you cannot ask company actually, Arpit. Financial help, yes, you asked financial help, but financial help from other workers, yes, you can, his co-workers, and you can talk to others voluntarily, but financial help can be given. That was a good point. We need to talk to the superior about firing and compensation. You cannot talk to superiors about these things. These are policies. You cannot interfere in that. So your good points were that yes, you will talk about his health, but you cannot force the company to pay the hospital bill and all. That is HR policies. You cannot interfere in that. And financial help from other co-workers and all, that is okay. You can compensatory ground pay, you can do that kind of activity. That is not a problem. Renu, you said not to fire, it is not good for the company. Renu, you take normally the side of the worker only, and you are always making losses to the company. Yesterday also you were making losses to the company. Today you are saying not good for company. Companies ke liye does not matter. Company fire, you know, a company have to survive. You name any private company which does not fire, Renu? Every company fires.
Yes, sir.
That's a good thing, bad thing.
Sir, I think in company point of view is good thing.
And national perspective?
Sir,
Achha, I ask you, government does not have hire and fire policy. This is a good thing or bad thing?
sir, I think it's bad thing.
हाँ, तो फिर? So someone who is not working does not deserve, is a liability. मैं ये भी
Yes, sir.
GD का टॉपिक ये भी तो बन सकता है ना कि a worker who is a liability should be fired or not. It should be fired, and that is a labor policies. ये तो बोलते हैं. The every MNC which comes to India says the labor policy in India is not in our favor, but in China that is in our favor. In China, if you are not working, they'll fire you in the morning. Go, and then you work. In India, if you are not coming, if you are coming late, that is a culture mindset. It's difficult. That is the reason you can't work, you can't survive. Person is not working. You need to think from company's perspective also and worker perspective also. This is what is the reason. So think from both perspectives. First, you should have thought of what kind of person is he, what kind of worker is he. If worker is capable, the company itself would not like to lose him. So these things you have to see.
Hello, sir.
Huh.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, there cannot be a win-win situation for both the parties. Like worker also does his job sincerely, and the company also pays him well. Means, can there be such solutions?
Yes, yes. But in this case, what is that solution? Worker is not working.
Not in this case, like you gave the example of China, that the worker are treated very unfairly. So can there be not such a solution where the workers are also treated fairly, and plus they are also doing their work sincerely?
Actually, if you see
how can we implement such?
if you see the history, Industrial Revolution started from London in 1850. What kind of country is London? What do you think? Presently, very good. Companies also very good. Labor policies also very good. But in 1850, the kind of treatment given to the workers was more pathetic than China. So when the economy grows, right now I'm a small company. I cannot afford more salary. to be given to employee, but I want more work from the people. So every economy, when it is in the growing stage, this happens. When the company becomes big, Google, Yahoo, General Electrical, Tata's, they can afford to give good salary. Tata mein company and both are good. Tata people are very happy. General Electrical, Google mein, would you not like to work in Google, or for that matter Apple? Would you like to work in those companies? Yes. Why? They are giving good salaries. Worker is happy, company is happy. But that is not true with every company. Depends which stage you are, right?
Okay, sir.
So Subhesh, analyze. You said analyze the seriousness of the health. If
Yes,
a
sir.
company and work from home option can be given to that or something like that. Again, you can suggest that, but there's a way to do that. You will make the entire analysis of the worker's health and everything, and then make the suggestion to your superior. Maybe some kind of consideration could be given. You can only request your superior on the basis of your report, which you have analyzed in detail, and then submit it. But before that, take the point of view of worker. Maybe he does not want to stay. So you should have, don't take the side of worker without his knowledge. You talk to him. You see what is his perspective. Does he want to stay with the company? Or he wants to take some day off? Or he wants some another work to be done? I'm not feeling like working because I cannot work here, so I want to work somewhere else. So should I help you? Because the person whom you are trying to help, you should know that what help he needs from you. Maybe by asking him to be in this job or be in this company, you are not trying to help him. So maybe you can help him in some another way by helping him to be in some another company. So you need to know what he wants from you. That is also very important. Make this kind of thoughts. You see, this is all about thought process. It's all about thought process. How you are thinking. Yesterday we were talking about TT asking you without ticket you are traveling and all. So this is all thought process, how we proceed. And you should have that thought process. Yeah.
Sir, first of all, we have to talk to the employee, sir. It is also, sir, including that point that he wants to work or not
Yes.
in the company, sir. It also included, sir.
Ah,
Sir,
so
I
you-
first mentioned that's why.
So you have
First
also
we-
you also included that point, right? That's a good
Yes,
point.
sir. Yes, sir.
That was a good point. So it
First we
it
have
will
to
be like
talk
this.
to
one.
the and
Yes, yes.
yes.
This is a good point. Actually, it should have been like that only. So you had included that, right? Okay. Anything you want
Yes,
to
sir,
ask
yes,
now?
sir.
I think this is all. So anything you want to ask now?
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, yes.
सर अगर मान लीजिए सर हमारे जो ग्रुप में डिस्कशन हुआ है सर, अगर कोई पॉइंट ऐसा है जिसपे हम एग्री नहीं कर रहे हैं सब लोग आपस में, तो लास्ट में जो कंक्लूजन होगा हमें उस पॉइंट को मेंशन उसमें करना है कि नहीं करना है. सपोज कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि करना है, मतलब वो पॉइंट वैलिड है, कुछ बोल रहे हैं नहीं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सर मेरे हिसाब से सर जैसे जाके पता है कि उनका इंटेंशन क्या है इसे निकालने का, तो आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से ये थोड़ा वैलिड नहीं है. तो सर इसे हमें मेंशन करना चाहिए लास्ट में कि नहीं करना चाहिए? अपने हिसाब से करना चाहिए.
कौन सा वैलिड नहीं है पॉइंट?
सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें इसे कि नहीं पूछना चाहिए कि सुपीरियर पे जाके कि क्या आपका इंटेंशन है इस वर्कर को निकालने का.
हाँ.
तो आई थिंक जो टास्क हमें दिया गया उसमें ये चीज क्लियर है कि वो काम नहीं कर पा रहा है अपना. तो हमें ये पॉइंट मेंशन करना चाहिए लास्ट में कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से आपको ये बोलना चाहिए कि देखो कंसेंसस नहीं बना है तो पॉइंट को आप वही डिस्कस करो जो सॉल्यूशन तुम्हें नजर आ रहा है. अगर उसका कंसेंसस बना है तो सॉल्यूशन नहीं है वो.
छोड़ देना चाहिए.
You can say that okay, some of us were of the opinion that we should go to top management and ask them that why it leaves, but in my opinion they have already made the point clear, so it is no point going to talk to them and asking them. That is what you could have said. But अगर कोई कंट्रोवर्सी या कंसेंसस नहीं पहुंचा है तो उसको अवॉइड कर सकते हो आप. जो कंसेंसस पहुंचा है उसको हम कर सकते हैं.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, should we even ask this employee whether he wants to stay inside the company? Because if he didn't want to stay inside the company, he would have taken a voluntary retirement, sir.
Tell me again.
Should we ask this employee whether he wants to stay inside the company or to go out because of his health issues? Because if he wanted to stay inside the company, he would have said that. Otherwise, he would have taken a voluntary retirement, sir. without even
No,
firing?
see, the person who is fired is like a voluntarily retirement only. The
Okay.
same thing, you know, it's hardly there's a difference. But his company is firing him. Company must have discussed with him in advance first. How
Okay.
does it matter? Because he's losing his job anyway. Whether he's taking voluntarily retirement or company is firing him, he's losing job anyway. In fact, it is not voluntarily retirement. You should say resign. The employee can resign.
Okay.
But normally, sometimes employees do not resign because they want compensation from the company. That's the reason, right?
That might be a reason he's still staying inside the company.
Maybe there's a reason he wants to stay because he wants to make his overstay in the company. He wants to stick
Okay.
to the company, maybe. Yes. But as I told you, you have to think from both perspective, from company's perspective also and from employees. Company cannot survive if there are liabilities in the company. You understand that?
Sir, I want to discuss, I have made a point that make worker realization that he might lose job. So whether that is a valid point? That,
Which one?
if
Tell
we
me again.
realize the worker that he might lose a job, okay? As you stated in problem, that company wants to fire, okay? So we know that company want to fire, but we in question it is not said that whether a worker know or not know that he will get fired or not. So should we make a worker a realization that he might get fired so that he think that if he get fired, so he will try to.
See, the point is, before you get to know, company's responsibility is that worker should be informed. And if you come to know before worker, that means it is wrongly. You have got the information through your grapevine, through some another channel, and then you should not divulge it to the worker. The right person to tell worker about this is the HR only, not you. Even if you came to know, like HR is your close friend, he's saying here that worker is going to get fired. You tell that worker you are going to be get fired. You are bitching, you know. That is not good on your part. This is again professionalism. That is what I'm saying. It's a professionalism you have to maintain.
But if sir, even if a worker know that he won't, he will be get fired, and if we means describe or elaborate the details that if you get fired, then you might not have a job or your family might have a different. So he might get open up that what he might lose by losing this job. So he might get a harder thing that he might get well cured before in short time, so that he do not get fired.
Still, you are not tell him. You should not tell him. Let the HR only tell him. Maintain that stand.
No, sir. I am saying that worker already know that he will be get fired. But if we elaborate him, that like हम उनसे बोलेंगे कि भाई अगर तुझे जॉब खोल ली तो तुम्हारा मतलब खो गई तो तुम कहाँ जाओगे क्या मतलब बच्चे या फैमिली को कैसे मतलब
नहीं
सपोर्ट
वो
करोगे?
तुम्हें बोलेगा ना कि मेरी हेल्थ खराब है मैं कैसे करूं बोलेगा तुम्हें मेरी हेल्थ
हाँ
क्या
तो
बोलोगे
तो सर बाद में हम उनसे बोलेंगे कि अगर कोई दूसरा वर्कर है या कोई फैमिली से है तो उससे सपोर्ट लेके भी ट्राई किया जाए। सर मेरा जो प्रोफेसर था ना वो बोलते थे वो प्राइवेट कंपनी में पढ़ा मतलब जॉब करते थे तो वो बोलते थे कि हम हर रोज जाते थे ना तो जितने भी वर्कर होते ना उनसे ग्रीटिंग करके जाते थे पूछते थे कि भाई तुमने चाय पी कि नहीं और बाद में हंस के भी बोलते थे कि हम ऐसा नहीं बोलते थे कि ला तुझे चाय पिलाता हूँ हम ऐसा पूछते थे कि तुमने चाय पी कि नहीं ऐसा पूछ के हम चले जाते थे सर मतलब खुद से कैसे मतलब खुद के जेब से पैसे भी नहीं निकालने पड़ते थे और ग्रीटिंग भी हो जाती थी।
नहीं वो सब तुम करो उस वर्कर के साथ दैट एवरीथिंग यू डू बट मे बी इस केस में वो ग्रीटिंग से काम नहीं चलेगा तुम्हें तो उसको चाय पिलानी पड़ेगी बिकॉज ही इज एक्चुअली सफरिंग इस केस में तो काम नहीं चलेगा कारण कि ठीक है भाई ठीक हो जाना सब ठीक होके हमें हेलो करते रहो वो तो लिप सिम्पथी हो जाएगा ना वो एक्चुअल में अप्रोच नहीं है दैट इज लिप सिम्पथी बट इन दिस केस यू हैव टू रियली थिंक ऑफ समथिंग राइट वो तो सब ठीक चल रहा है तो तुम हाय हेलो करो लेकिन वो उसको हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है उसको जॉब जा रही है तो यू नीड टू रियली टॉक इन रैशनल वे राइट एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू से
एंड सर मुझे पूछना था सर मैं इस पर मतलब इतना एंशियस टाइप था मतलब जब मैं थॉट्स अपने पुट कर रहा था तो मतलब पहले आप बोलते
कल से ठीक था कल से ठीक है और अभी नॉर्मल है थोड़ा हंसा करो स्माइल किया करो नहीं तो ऐसा लगेगा तुम मार्स से आए हो किसी और ग्रह से आए हो
सर मुझे मेरा परफॉर्मेंस पूछना था एक्चुअली मेरा परफॉर्मेंस क्या है
3 दिन में इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है अभी तुम बोलना स्टार्ट किया है तुमने अभी रेनू
यस सर
पहले
Yes,
तो
sir.
3 दिन पहले तुम बोल नहीं रही थी कुछ भी नहीं, अभी कुछ बोलना स्टार्ट किया है तुमने।
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, it is all practice, believe me, it's all practice. Be
Yes, sir.
calm, be composed, be confident, enjoy the life.
सर
Don't worry at
एक्चुअली
all.
मैं मेरे को कुछ बताना था। एक्चुअली मेरा सीए फाइनल है और मैं गेट से नहीं हूँ। एक्चुअली मेरा आईयूएसएल में हुआ है, वो कॉमर्स लाइन से हुआ है। हाँ सर,
Finance है,
वो हाँ इंटरव्यू सेम है, मतलब जीडी जीटी और पीआई होगा। तो सर एक्चुअली मेरा ऑफिस होता है, तो वो अराउंड कभी 8 साढ़े 8 बजे, कभी 8:15 बजे, कभी 7:30 बजे ऐसे ओवर होता है। तो मैं सर कभी कभी लेट हो जाती हूँ। जैसे आज 8:40 पे मैंने ज्वाइन किया, तो मैं
हाँ घुस जाया करो,
लेट
आ
हो
जाया
गई
करो।
थी।
एंटर करने में कोई ट्रबल नहीं, कभी भी घुस जाओ डिस्कशन में बिंदास।
हाँ सर,
जब
वही
चल
कहना
रहा तो
चाह
घुस
रही
जाओ।
थी कि मैं 5-7 मिनट लेट हो ही जाती हूँ रोज, ऐसा होता है। क्योंकि सर उसमें हमारा ऑफिस का वर्क भी एक्सपीरियंस मांगा था उन्होंने कि मतलब, तो उस एक्सपीरियंस के लिए मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा वर्क वगैरह सीख
मारो
लूँ
फाइट
थोड़ा।
मारो रेनू, डोंट वरी।
यस
जब
सर।
हम तैयारी करते थे आईएएस की, तो हमारे साथ एक लड़का था, वो हमेशा क्लास में लेट ही आता था, वो लेट ही आता
अच्छा
था क्योंकि
सर,
कहीं
एक्चुअली
पढ़ाता था।
वैसे तो मैं टाइम की पंक्चुअल हूँ, कभी लेट नहीं होती, लेकिन ये मेरी मजबूरी है सर। बिकॉज ट्रैफिक में भी थोड़ा वो टाइम चला जाता है सर, वो
डोंट
आने
वरी,
जाने में भी।
नॉट इशू, बट यू स्टिक टू इट। मैं तुम्हें ये बोल रहा था कि वो हमेशा लेट होता था और वही सिलेक्ट हुआ था बाद में, हम सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए थे।
सर थैंक
हम
यू
सिलेक्ट
सर।
बिकॉज वो कहीं कोचिंग पढ़ाता, वो पढ़ाता भी था, अपने आप को सस्टेन भी करता था। हम ऐसे होते थे, बदमाश होते थे हम लोग, हमें टाइम ही टाइम होता था, हम क्लास में पहले बैठ जाते थे। वो लेट आता था क्योंकि कहीं पढ़ा के आता था, एंड कमाता भी था और सिंसियर भी था। तो इससे मैटर नहीं करता, डिपेंड्स के हाउ सिंसियर यू आर, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स। फाइट मारो, सीखो, आप ग्रो कर जाओगे सब लोग। फाइन,
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू
चलो
सर।
गुड नाइट ऑल ऑफ यू।
Good night, sir.
गुड
night,
नाइट
sir.
सर।